Good day, everybody. Today we have a fraction. So let's see how we're going to do this fraction really quick. Right here we have 5 over 6 plus 2 over 9. These are two proper fractions being added, right? So let's see how we're going to do this real quick. So in my solution, I'm going to repeat everything. I have 5 over 6 plus 2 over 9, right? So let's proceed. So at this junction right here, so we're going to look for a common base, right? Let's look for a common base. The common base right here is going to be 18, right? Because 6 can go into 18, 9 can go into 18 as well. So that will be the common base. So put a bar on top of 18. So yeah, I'm going to say if 6 go into 18, so what will it be? What will we be having? We're going to be having 3, right? So 18 divided by 6 is 3. So have 3 times is going to multiply the existing numerator, which is 5, times 5, right? Put a plus sign right here at the middle because it was already there. So yeah, I'm going to say when 9 go into 18, what am I going to be having? It's going to be 2, right? 18 divided by 9 is going to be what? 2. So put a 2 right there, times the existing numerator, which is 2. Let's proceed. At this junction, we're going to say 3 times 5 is going to give us what? 15. Right? So plus, so 2 times 2 is going to give us 4 over the 18, which is the denominator, right? So here right now, I'm going to add what? The numerator. So I have what? 15 plus 4 is going to give me 19 over 18, right? So what we can see right here, there's nothing common between 19 and 18, right? And we can't leave it like this neither, because this is what? Improper fraction. Improper fraction in the sense like you having a child carrying his mother, which is improper, right? So I will use that analogy to illustrate it so that people understand what I'm doing, right? So in this junction, at this junction right here, we're going to do right here, we're going to say we're going to make it a proper fraction. For us to make it a proper fraction, it's going to lead to an improper fraction, right? So here we're going to have 19 divided by 18 is going to give us 1 just one time. So 18 can only go into 19 one time. And when it does that, it's going to be what remaining what? 1. So that 1 is going to be the numerator, which is going to be on top, right? So it's going to be what? Having what? 18 as the denominator. So in this case, this is what? 1 whole number 1 over 19. This is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please endeavor to subscribe, like, and share. If there's any comment, leave it at the comment section below. Thank you. See you next time.